Are you looking for a DVD player that will take just about anything you can throw at it? Would an all-region playback version be of interest? Well, stay tuned and I'm going to show you a DVD player that should be able to do just about anything you need. Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product review. Today we're looking at the Jovell DVD player, and this is region free, and 3 things you need to know about it. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate it. Please look in the description for the URL to purchase this item. Thing number 1, this supports the following formats: CD, DVD, DVD+R, DVD+R, DVD+RW, DVD+RW, CDR, CDRW, VCD, and SVCD. If the last 2 don't seem familiar, the last time I saw them was when one of the electronics chains tried to start its own rental system, and you had to have an unlock code, or the player was only, the media was only good for like, what was it, 24 to 40 hours, something like that. It's been a long time, and needless to say, that didn't go over real well. So some of these are not supported, in the real world anymore, but it's nice to know that you've got the ability to play them on this device. Thing number 2, this supports HDMI and AV connections. AV gives you a composite connection that's typically yellow, and then the remaining 2 are for stereo audio, and that's going to be red and white. Typically red is going to be the right channel, makes sense, red, right, and then white is going to be for the left channel. Thing number 3, the USB connection supports the following file extensions: AVI, MPG, MPEG4, so that's not bad. That's more than I would expect. USB flash drives of up to 64 gigabytes in size can be supported. Thing number 4, and this is a bonus item. One good reason to have this is that streaming a movie doesn't always mean it's going to be there. With different streaming services going offline or licenses getting modified, you may have paid for that movie. That doesn't mean you're going to get it. So having physical media at least gives you a chance to watch your favorite movie. Then you'll just need to watch for things like fingerprints on the media. Heaven forbid any scratches get on it, because that requires a little bit of repair work, but it's mainly the thumbprints that can really mess with the playback of a DVD. So take a look at this and think about getting one today. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Please look in the description for the URL to purchase this item. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.